The story of Puri Jagannath Temple. Long ago in ancient India, there lived a pious king named Indradyumna, who ruled over the kingdom of Malwa. He was a great devotee of little Lord Vishnu and wished to see and worship the Lord in his most divine and unique form. One night, the king had a dream in which he saw a bright, glowing wooden log floating on the ocean. A divine voice told him that this log, known as Daru Brahma, contained the essence of Lord Vishnu. Determined to fulfill this vision, King Indradyumna set out to the eastern coast of India with his priests and advisors. After days of prayer and searching, they discovered the sacred log floating near the shores of Kats Puri, in modern-day Odisha. It was glowing with a divine aura and could not be moved by ordinary means. After performing rituals, the king was finally able to bring it ashore. At this point, the king wanted to carve idols of the Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra from the divine wood. Just then, a mysterious old carpenter appeared. He claimed he could carve the idols, but with one condition. He must work in complete isolation, and no one must open the door until his work was done. The king agreed. Days passed in silence. After 15 days, Queen Gundicha grew worried when no sound was heard from inside. Fearing the carpenter might have died, King Indradyumna opened the door. To his surprise, the carpenter had vanished, and the idols were unfinished. They had no hands or legs. Heartbroken, the king prayed for forgiveness. Then a heavenly voice declared, "These forms are my will. Worship them as they are." It was the voice of Lord Vishnu himself. Thus, the partially completed idols were accepted as the true forms of the Lord, representing his mysterious and formless nature. The king then constructed a magnificent temple at Puri and installed the idols with grand rituals. This became the Jagannath Temple, and the deities, Lord Jagannath, a form of Krishna, his brother Balabhadra, and his sister Subhadra, have been worshipped there ever since. One of the most famous traditions of this temple is the Khipiye Rath Yatra, or chariot festival, where the three deities are taken out in grand wooden chariots for a procession through the city. This symbolizes the Lord coming out to bless all his devotees. Over the centuries, the Puri Jagannath Temple has become one of the 4 sacred Char Dham pilgrimage sites in Hinduism, drawing millions of pilgrims every year. Subscribe for more.